Hi, it's me, Yaz, back with another reaction video, and I have a very special guest, a birthday girl at that, because guess what? You got this video right yonder, here, to 5K. Thank you so much, and I'm gonna keep my promise. You thought I wasn't coming back with more EXO, didn't you? It's Cammy. All right, so today we have a highly requested video. Okay, and it is White Noise plus Thunder plus Playboy plus Artificial Love. Okay, I think I've seen White Noise, maybe. Listen, I see like a lot of things and I just forget over time, but I think I've seen White Noise, and then I've definitely seen Artificial Love. But I don't know about Playboy and Thunder. But anyway, I'm really excited to get into this. Someone said only watch this if you're 18 and over. So like, I'm a little worried. I don't know if my heart can handle it, but we're gonna see.
I'm ready.
We're gonna see. Okay, let's get it. Before I start this video, I just want to say thank you so much for all your love and support so far, XOLs, and every other subscriber that I have on this channel. Thank you. We're on the road to 2K, so subscribe. Okay, let's go.
Who is that?
Back Daddy Hyun.
That's what I thought. That's Baekhyun?
Lay needs to stop.
Ooh, Kai needs to stop too. Lay and Kai. Ooh, there's... Lay looks so good.
Sing it, Chani.
They gotta stop moving like that. Oh, they're trying to sing.
Such a cutie.
Is that Jimin? Is that Sue?
Chen.
Say, that's Chen?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm trying to see. I'm trying to remember. I know that's Chanyeol. That's Kai.
These guys stop looking so good.
That's obviously B.
Oh, my baby! Okay, we're done. I love when he smiles. The all black thing is just killing me. Baekhyun is such like a cutie.
Their hips are
that's
killing me.
Suho.
That's Suho. Okay, yeah, I do recognize him. That is Suho.
Where is Suho? I don't think I've seen him. Oh, I hate when they bring in water.
I was gonna say, are they gonna get wet? Ooh! Ooh, did you see Lay?
Of course I saw Ray.
Ooh, did you see that? Ooh!
Why does Lay make those faces?
Because he knows?
Hit it, Becky.
He knows how to do that.
Where is Sehun? I feel like I have not seen a single shot. Oh, there he goes.
I was about to say, wasn't that him? Or was him?
Oh, he's so cute. Bias record for days.
Chanyeol always like... Wait, so that's...
Debbie Chen.
That's... Okay, that's
That's
Chen.
Chen. Did you see how Lay was like?
Yes, I saw. Ooh, Kai. Ooh, who's singing? These are sensual for my heart.
The way... Ah! Okay, I'm sorry. Everything is just so fluid. They need to stop showing Lay, because Lay is just doing too much.
Oh,
This is what I'm talking about. I miss you, baby.
Don't be running your hands through your hair. I don't know my hands through your hair. Shut up.
I gotta stop. Okay, before we get into Thunder, I think, I just want to say that I don't want to make this reaction video anymore. I don't want to. It's just too much. I just feel like this is gonna be super cringy.
I don't even know what to say. I'm kind of speechless, to be honest. Baekhyun has been bias wrecking me a lot. Also, real quick, I know I haven't reacted to Un Village yet. I know! I haven't even watched it yet. And the thing is, it's not that I don't care about Baekhyun, it's because I really do want to react to it. It's just I don't have the time, and I gotta find the time. It's not that I don't care, it's just that I've been, like, trying to hide myself from the internet, basically, because, like, with work and everything, I haven't found a good time to react to it. But I promise I'll react to it VVVV soon. Okay. Also, Lay needs to stop. Lay's killing me. He's killing me.
Every time the screen's on him. Why do they take so long? Maybe I was just oblivious and that Lay was too distracting. But I swear that Sehun didn't pop up until 2 minutes in. And, what? They need to show my baby Sehun more. Also, Dio is killing it. Chen's killing it. Jonghyun's killing it. Suho's killing it. Shuman's killing it. I know I'm forgetting someone, and this is gonna be bad. Okay, let's get back into it.
Who's that?
Chen.
Okay. I like this.
It's what is it? Kaisu for Lay.
Yeah, I should Kaisu.
Oh, he's so cute. I like the beat of this.
I had to look away for a second.
Stop!
Okay, the versatility and he was just smiling,
and then he'll go,
and then he goes into that should not be allowed. That's illegal. Kai, don't be doing that to me.
Vocal King.
Ooh.
I love
Baekhyun's voice.
I really like
it's
his voice.
So good.
It's butter. My baby. Get those lines, Lamb.
Did you see that?
I did, but I tried not to focus.
I focused. Kai needs to stop touching himself like that. He keeps touching himself up on his chest.
Feet.
Ooh.
I can't wait. I'm sorry. I can't do this. I can't do
I like that we had a mutual moment of just
I can't
not
do
being
this.
able to function.
I can't do this. Okay, let's continue.
We can do this.
I know. He's so handsome. Don't breathe. Stop touching yourself, guys.
He keeps touching his chest.
Oh, his smile is so intoxicating.
He knows exactly what he's doing.
Just like,
I know.
What is happening?
It's always so weird seeing Lay get all sexy, but then seeing him do interviews and he's so adorable.
Wait, how is it now to this ukulele tune? What?
act innocent. This is really different from like the
Ooh,
rave
did
thing.
you?
I probably missed it.
I think you did, because Kai just did this thing with his whole body and it looked... Late? Stop!
You can't stop it. I like that move.
I like that.
I guess stop.
I don't need a hit.
Stop. Oh. Dio being Dio. Everything he does. I sound like I'm complaining, but like.
His voice is so good. Woo!
Sound like Becca. Yeah.
He is a beautiful falsetto.
Lay. I'm good. He's so cute.
He's so cute.
Listen, I know Artificial Love is next, and this has already just been too much for me. I've never wanted to stop a reaction. I'm not gonna stop it, but I just feel, yeah, like you said, I just feel like this is too much for my heart. Also, I'm gonna hate editing this. I really will. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's go. The canes.
Do you have canes?
Yes, they do.
Don't drag your fingers across the canes all sensually.
I can't even speak.
Stop! Ah! This is the first time in my life I've ever wanted to be a cane.
I want to be your pants. Never mind, I want to be the cane.
Late.
Okay.
Sorry.
It's so hard to focus on the vocals.
Oh yeah, they're singing. Ooh, that was nice. You look so excited.
Okay, let's do a challenge. Try to focus.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, I liked that. The cane. Nothing else is happening. His show? I want to be a cane. I want to be.
I really want to be that cane.
I have heard this. You have heard this.
I think this performance makes the song, honestly.
This performance makes my life. Kind of still.
I can't wait!
Lay was. Frickin' stop when you're thrusting! Ooh. Well, I actually really like this. Ooh, who was that?
Beck Daddy Hyun.
Not the note, the dance note. Was it?
I wasn't focusing. Did you just snap the button?
Yeah, I did. I did indeed.
Sing it, Chen. Look at you. I love this song. I wish they would have released the music video, because could you imagine the music video? Get it, Sehun. I feel like I haven't seen. What was that song? I don't know. Oh, I forgot about this. I've seen
What
this.
is it? It's my two bosses! They're blindfolded. That's like some Sean and Casey vibe.
Love Sean and Casey. Casey for life.
His shirt came up.
That platinum blonde is a look on Kai. Can I have them both?
Lazemore, like, just so genuinely committed to the sensuality. Kai's just like, I know what I'm doing.
He's a tease.
Like,
Kai
Kai's
is
like,
a
I
tease.
know what I'm doing to you. It's fine.
He's a tease. Oh, wait. I didn't enter. I didn't give an outro. Like, you see how not focused I am? Like, seriously. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this. Sorry for the cringe, because I know it's cringy.
I'm sorry if you're wearing earbuds and I screamed at a point.
Yeah, sorry for
I did
the
that a couple
earbud users.
times.
What you gonna do? When you're watching all of these performances, how are you not gonna act cringy? You know what I'm saying? Okay. Anyway, today's Cammy's birthday. I know I mentioned that a tiny bit at the beginning, just a tiny bit, but make sure you wish her a happy birthday in the comment section.
Aww.
And yeah. That's about it. Also, we're on the road to 2K, so subscribe.
And share.
And share the video.
And like it.
Share it to all your friends and all your friends on social media and the Twitter and the Insta and all that good stuff. And you like the video and comment down below what I should react to next. I think next we may do a vocal reaction video. So just keep tuned.
Stay tuned.
Anyway, thank you so much and have an amazing, amazing, amazing day.